Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Rika. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and become part of the amazing family today. And also remember to turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video we are making baby's food. Yeah, I was actually asked by a subscriber, how do you make your baby food? If you like to stick around and see how I make it, please keep watching. So here I have with me sweet potato. Yeah, you can actually use the other type of potato. Now we cut. I'll be using small portion from it here. I'll cut small from it. Then after cutting, I will peel. Now what I will do next, I will have to cut it in smaller sizes. Yeah, we cut it so it will get cooked on time. Now after cutting the potatoes, I will add water to wash it thoroughly. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. I will never take that for granted. I love you guys. And after wash, I will add into a small cleaned pot. Then add water, place on heat and cover to cook for about 5 minutes. Nice, God's plan. Finally, I'm doing a video for you. So let me hear you write homemade special in the comment section. Let me see it. So guys, these are actually things I was using when I started making my baby's food at home. So after making it, I'll place it in the freezer. Yeah. So now I'm no longer using it because I've seen the difference. It does not worth it. Yeah. So this other one was so helpful. Yeah, whenever I'm going out very early, I would just wake up on time, make his food and package it. So yeah, it was really helpful. It's a set, like up to 3 sets. So this one I don't use it. I'm using it now for ice block in this summertime. And I would recommend baby food should be made fresh. Yeah, and nice. You were asking me the other day, should you keep it in freezer? No, make a small portion the child can finish. So now the potato have cooked. I will have to remove it from the heat and keep it aside to cool down. Now it has cooled down. I will transfer it into the blender. Here I have cooked egg, already cooked egg. So I will just remove the shell, then open it and bring out the yolk. And as you are watching, hit that like button, subscribe and put on your notification bell for more amazing baby food recipes. And after that, add the yolk, follow with breast milk or formula. And then cover and blend. And apart from blending, you can also match it as well. Yeah, with fork or with spoon. Yeah, it's also depend on the months of the baby. From 8 months plus, you can match it. Not too much blending. Yeah. So here we are. Weight give baby food is ready. And as a mom, know you are trying your best. You are doing the best you can. Yeah, there are children that are naturally not fat, but provided the weight is okay. So this is weight gain baby food from 6 to 12 months old. And if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Put on your notifications so as to get notified whenever I upload new video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.